This one looks so tropical. You know what I seeing this now? I think make me thinking of. Look like Bahama, Hawaii. Great. Kia for 15 seconds. All of them too. I want you lady to get an idea. Look at all of this. If it have the unicorn chromes on. $15 seconds, yeah? Okay. I'm gonna do it when it's still just get out fresh from the LED lights. I'm gonna using my chromes right here and applies it right away. And I just want to be on that part. That's it. You can do all of them if you want to. And then this one. I'm gonna do it right on this one too. I just wanna do it, make it ombre look. You can do all and tie completely the nails. I think it's gonna look so gorgeous as well. Great. And we got these two nails. You see that how from really like plain, you can get it a little bit chromes on it. And then we're gonna do on this one as well. Oh, this one is so stunning. I'm excited to do a lot of different cool, stunning designs. All right, Kia, 15 seconds. Also this guy too. It's 15 seconds again. And chrome right here. You can do a pink on it. It looks pink, but this is just in case you just want to get really shimmery unicorn effects. Three. I'm just using it right on the cuticles. We have a few minutes left from Instagram, and we're gonna have to come back for the part 2 for crystal placement. But I'm so happy, I'm so glad I got to share with you with liquid gunpowder today, because and you can see so beautiful of a lot of things we can do with. Great, so I just doing a little bit on the cuticle area to make it like and will be available soon on the website if you're curious about. Let me show this all 4 look, and then we can oh my god, I can feel that I can wear every single of this in my nails. But wait a minute, hold on, so we have to get some crystal placement on it. Hold on. Feel weird.